In this quick guide, you'll learn how to exchange currency on Moomoo. Whether you're planning a trip abroad, managing investments, or just curious about the process, this tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you can perform currency exchanges with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to do so from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the home screen. Here, you can access a variety of features including trading tools, market information, and more. But for our purpose today, we'll focus on exchanging currency. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. Tap on the option labeled Accounts. This section is where you manage all your financial transactions and track your investments. The Accounts tab is your central hub for managing funds, making it an essential step in our currency exchange process. Next, you'll need to find the More option. Once you tap on it, a list of additional services and features will appear. This is where you can access tools that may not be immediately visible on the main screen. Among these options, you'll find the exchange icon located under the Funds section. Tapping this will take you to the currency exchange interface. Now, you'll need to choose the currencies you want to exchange. This is where you specify which currency you have and which currency you want to receive. The interface is user-friendly and should provide a list of available currencies. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to review the exchange rate. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so make sure you're comfortable with the rate before proceeding. After reviewing the rate, you're ready to submit your request. Confirm all the details are correct, and then tap the Submit button. The app will process your request, and your currency exchange will be completed. It's really that simple. And there you have it. That's how to exchange currency on Moomoo. By following these steps, you can manage your currency exchanges efficiently, whether for personal travel or investment purposes. Remember to always check the rates to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Thank you for watching, and happy exchanging.